Hi, teachers and leaders. Today, we're extremely excited to share a brand new update that will save you so much time and keep you aligned and informed throughout the school year. With the new and improved standards tool, you can quickly select learning standards you want to teach, copy standards over multiple calendar days, map out entire units, and stay informed on which standards you have and haven't covered yet. This tool is designed to keep up with your busy schedule and ensures that you won't have to copy and paste learning standards from a document or a form or a site ever again. So let's get started. So there are two main ways you can use this feature. So for part one of this video, I'm going to show you how you can use it when creating pacing guides or mapping out multiple weeks of lessons at a time. If you want to learn more about the pacing guide tool or how I got to this page, I've linked that video below. As you can see, I've already chosen dates for a few weeks that I want to map out or plan for. So to add standards to these dates, click the Add Standards button. So the first drop-down lists hundreds of organization, test prep courses, and of course, all of the state learning standards. It's truly a complete library of all learning standards you might need to teach or plan for. So you can either browse our list to find what you need, or you can type in the name of your organization or state. So the next drop-down allows you to select the subject that you teach. Again, you can browse the entire list or type in the subject to find it. If you teach multiple subjects, you can always just select the grade level so you have access to all of these standards. Now this next feature is a huge time saver. Instead of updating your filters each time you plan, you can save these settings so you only ever see the standards that you need to teach. When you come back in and plan a new week or unit, these settings will be here and ready to go for you. So once you hit the search button, you'll see that all the learning standards for the state, subject, or grade level that you selected appear here. If you want to narrow down this list even more, you also have the option to use this search bar to search for a specific standard. So type in part of the standard tag or the complete standard tag to find what you're looking for. And you'll see that all the standards that matched my search popped up right below. If you want to see the description before selecting the standard, you can click the plus sign button to expand. Last thing I want to point out is the last covered feature. This column shows you which standards you have or have not covered yet, which is super helpful when creating unit plans. If you have covered the standard already, you'll see that the date that you last taught it on. So when you're planning for a mediation or test prep, this tool helps keep you super informed so you don't have to go digging through old lesson plans and documents to find that information. If for some reason you don't see the standard that you need to teach, you always have the option to add it manually. Once you add in a standard, it will automatically save to your library forever. And that's it. Once you've selected your learning standards, you're going to hit apply and save down at the bottom right. Again, if you want to learn more about copying standards over multiple days or mapping out weeks at a time, check out the video linked below.